Hello from Slovenia again. It's raining here in Slovenia. It's raining. Tears from my eyes. This is our morning glory from yesterday's. You see it's dry. This dip dries really fast. There is no cracks. I don't get cracks with this, I don't know. I see that some of you get cracks, but I don't. And I want to show you this one. Yesterday I have my private lessons with some of my subscribers. Susan, hello Susan. I'm so happy that I meet you. And this is one of my paintings that we did together. We do this on Messenger, Facebook Messenger, and we try to learn something. And I really like this, how this one turned out. Has some beautiful details. I don't know if I can show you. You see, I don't know, I just love this one, and I will name this one Susan because it reminds me on my nice time with Susan. So today I have something different in my mind. I don't know if this will work, but we will see. I want to do flower in this area, not the whole flower, so my center will be here. So I added my metallic white, and I will add a little of this lemon yellow and a little bit of orange on top. And this will be our middle part. So I will use the same colors as I did yesterday for our morning glory flower. So, and we will see what we will get. So I will start here maybe, and I will do one puddle here, and now I will go from here, maybe one here and one here. I don't mind if, and I will do second layer more to the middle. And now my cobalt blue. So I'm excited for tomorrow's live. I put my notification in my community section on YouTube, so you can see and convert your time zone, because I don't know where you live to write in your time zone. So you have many these converters online, so you can easily convert to your time, that you will know when you can join me if you want. I think that I will try to ask your questions about my primer, my mixture, and all the other things that you want to know. This is my metallic white. And hope we will have some nice time together and do some nice painting. Whoops, I'm almost out of my phthalo. So if you want, please join me tomorrow and we will see how this will go, because I'm a little bit scared. This friend of mine, new friend of mine, Susan, will help me tomorrow with answering your questions if I will not see them all, or I will not able to answer it all, so I hope that we will do okay. I didn't try this half, or I don't know how to say, this flower that is not in the center of my, I'm almost out of my cobalt blue. I just like this artist cobalt blue. I bought some other brand, but I don't like it. I just like this one because, just because. I don't know why, I just like it. I will add just a tiny bit of my white again, because this metallics gives these flower dips a little different effect, I think. And I will go with phthalo here in the middle. And now my greens, phthalo green. I will just add some stripes, just no particular order, and some here in the between our petals to get some effect here in the middle too. And I will add aqua. And I like this green gold paint, just it's kind of olive, but I like this yellow tone in it. And I will add some of this spring green too. If I can get it out, I can. And now, I will show you tomorrow how much I spray my paper towel and all of these things that you want to know. So I hope you will join me and we can answer some of your questions. And now my tapping. I like this part because I like to feel my paint underneath my fingers. I just like to work with my hands and paint. I must think how I want to lift this to get the effect that I want. So I think that I must start with this edge and go like this, maybe. I didn't think like this. Maybe I should do bigger puddles to get the effect that I was trying to, because I was thinking that I will get bigger flower, and this center here is just not what I want, so I will try to fix it a little bit. I don't know, kind of like it, but it is different that I think that it will be, I thought that it will be more blue that I get. So for another one I think that I must go almost to the edge. Because paint, when you pick up your I will try to do this because something bothers me here. I lost my orange, but I don't care. To get some bigger flower, because I want to have more of this blue, but I like it anyway. So I will show you close I like the movement of these leaves. It looks almost like a flower blossom in the wind. So, and these metallics do this nice effects that I really like. I hope that I didn't bring it too close, because I noticed that my camera sometimes doesn't do what I want. So I will try to, just a second, to take my gloves off, and I will try to, or maybe I will take off my camera and do a close-up, but I will you will not get dizzy. I will do this just to take my camera down. And now we can see all these beautiful details. It is beautiful, but I want to have a bigger flower. Maybe we can try tomorrow in our life again. So this is it for today, and see you tomorrow live. Oh, I didn't say this for a long time. If you like my work, please subscribe, click the bell button to be notified when I upload my next videos, and tell me in comments what you mean, what you want to see, maybe to do, to experiment. And bye from Slovenia.